guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, again, holiday edition. So today what we are going to be doing is in my hallway going towards my front door, I'm going to make a post tension garland. What you're going to need is a post tension rod. This is from Walmart. And then I got some garland. They have a million different ones that you can pick. This one kind of looks realish, feels kind of like rubbery. Again, there's some with hollies, all different ones. You see I used like up here just a plain one, and then I added my own jewels to it on my chandelier. So you're just going to get garland depending on how big your hallway that you're wrapping is. I think one's going to be enough, but I have an extra. And then you're going to get twinkle lights. And we are going to wrap the garland around the post tension rod, intertwine the twinkle lights into the garland, and then we are going to just open it and put it in the hallway, and it's going to look fabulous as a garland. So stay tuned for part 2.